हाय मेरा दोस्तों, पूरा सिक्योरिटी का बारे में 10 क्वेश्चन मैं आपको देता है। 10 क्वेश्चन को अच्छा से पढ़ो, पढ़ के अच्छा से प्रिपेयर होके इंटरव्यू जाओ। आप ज़रूर पास करेगा, आप लोग का इंटरव्यू पास होएगा, आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा इजीली। ओके, सबसे पहला टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ बोलता है, वो अच्छा से प्रिपेयर करो आपका बारे में, ठीक है। बाद में व्हाट इज़ द सिक्योरिटी पूछता है। सिक्योरिटी प्रोटेक्टिंग पीपल प्रॉपर्टी एंड प्रेमिसेस, आवर मेन टास्क इज टू मॉनिटर सर्वेलेंस, लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड, daily logs, incident reports, CCTV review, investigation, provide first aid, quick reflexes, should be make decisions, punctuality, possessed by a security guard. Simple answer दे दो। और second, what is access control? Monitoring, controlling access to the community through the gates, clusters, entry points, check identity, verification, Emirates ID, passport, driving license, street license, security gate pass, work permit, Ijari, title deed, NOC. There is move in, move out processes and catch the intruders. Assess the hazardous, aggravation to vigilant eye, inspect properly, organize efficiently. Sometimes inclusive individual people it will be there, like a real estate agents, contractors, visitors. So we have to be registered before they enter the premises. Totally grant entry to authorized person, restrict to unauthorized person. बस इतना ही दे दो, ये प्रिपेयर करो अच्छा से। और थर्ड emergent patrolling surveillance पूछता है। What is the patrolling? Conduct regular patrol to monitor to the community for the any suspicious activities using surveillance equipment like CCTV, barriers, extinguishers, environment, keep safety and security, and capture the guest owners, tenants complaints about home facilities efficiently. Inform our supervisor, he will be pulverize our management, and suggest the regulating toll free numbers our community people for the and बस इतना है। नंबर 3 आंसर इतना दे दो बस। नंबर 4 emergency respond promptly, quickly, emergency situations including accidents, medical emergencies, and assess the existence of hurry movement if anyone fall down, assisting and help them. And customer service, greeting, addressing inquiry professionally, give them to proper information about the community rules and regulations to the vendors, tenants, visitors, owners. Okay. And collaboration with authority, when they during investigation we have to be provide assistance, give them to proper information about the incident, and give them to preserve evidences by follow to Dubai rules. मैं इधर उधर देख रहा है बोले तो मैं काम में ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, इधर मैं ड्यूटी में है ना, इधर उधर देखना पड़ेगा, मुश्किल नहीं है। लेकिन आप मैं जो बोला उसको लिखो, अच्छा से लिख के प्रिपेयर करो, आपका ज़िंदगी अच्छा हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और एक क्वेश्चन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल? मैनेजिंग व्हीकल क्लियर द ट्रैफिक विद इन द कम्युनिटी, इवन इंक्लूड पार्किंग इन्फोर्समेंट, and directing the vehicles, emergency situations, special events, special vehicles, and sometimes parking occasions we have to be tell them to park safe place. If someone doing intolerable, inconveniently, aggressively, we have to be tell them to first specifically, second aggravation to respect, third give them to violation, fourth inform our supervisor, fifth report vehicle in the police app directly. Okay. और what is fire, how to solve? Fire is a chemical reaction with heat, fuel, oxygen. It will be make big fire, enhancing sparks, fire explosions. And in case our duty places, site locations unfortunately happen fire incident, quickly we have to be do assess to observe appropriately to choose which extinguisher to use better to damages. If there is a small fire, use extinguisher. If there is a big fire, immediately active the fire alarm, call civil defense, inform to police, do fast evacuation process, try to invite other securities and save people life, and finalization, make fire incident report our management. Khalas. How many types of extinguishers? We have 5 types of extinguishers. Water, foam, CO2, powder, wet chemical. Okay. How many types of evidence? We have 4 types of evidence. రియల్ ఎవిడెన్స్, డెమాన్స్ట్రేటివ్ ఎవిడెన్స్, డాక్యుమెంటరీ ఎవిడెన్స్, టెస్టిమోనియల్ ఎవిడెన్స్. 4 types. Okay. Fire simplex panel password. If suddenly happen real fire, there is come to about it, you need to be go main panel. There is a one password. You have to be use that password. That is only simplex company panel password. Menu enter 1333, enter exit, fire acknowledge, enter disable, enter trouble acknowledge, system reset. Kalas. How many types of crime? 2 types. Outdoor, indoor. 2 types crime. Okay. How many types of patrols? We have 4 types of patrols. Initial patrol, interim patrol, snap patrol, final patrol. We have 4 types of patrol. Okay. మనిషికి 6th సెన్స్ ఉండాలంటారు కదా. 6th సెన్స్ అంటే ఏందో మీకు ఇప్పుడు తెలియజేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ది చూడడం, మన కళ్ళతో చూడడం. సెకండ్ది వినడం. థర్డ్ స్మెల్, మన వాసన చూడటం. 4th మనము టేస్ట్ చేయడం, ఏదైనా టేస్ట్ చేయడం. 5th మనము ఏదైనా టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక అనుభూతి వస్తుంది కదా, అది అంటే మనం ఏదైనా టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు అనుభూతి ఏర్పడుతుంది చూడు, అది 5th. 6th సెన్స్ అంటే మనం యూజ్ చేసేది కామన్ సెన్స్ అంటారు చూడు, అది 6th సెన్స్ అన్నట్టు. అంటే మనం 6th సెన్స్ మనము ఆలోచన లేకుండా ఏదైతే ఆలోచిస్తామో ఇవన్నీ వేస్టే అన్నట్టు. ఇవన్నీ ఉండి కూడా వేస్టే మనిషికి. 6th సెన్స్ కామన్ సెన్స్ లేకుండా ఏది చేసినా కూడా ఫలితం ఉండదు అన్నట్టు లెక్క. ఓకేనా? ఓకే.